Megahertz ultrasound therapy unit. We are demonstrating it that how to operate it. Switch on the power, connect the power cable, connect ultrasound head and switch on the unit. Simply set the time by pressing up button. For example, we set it 10 minutes. Now more are there: continuous pulse 1.2, pulse 1.4, 1.7, pulse 1.10. Now you put some water drops on the ultrasound head so that you can check that machine is working properly or not. Simply increase the intensity. At continuous mode it is 3.0. Now you can check, and if you want to check the power you can put your finger here. You will not put your finger on the head at least 10 to 15 seconds. Now you can see it is working properly. It's a 3 megahertz. It will not make more quantum, but it is very thin and it is working properly. Now if you want to change the mode, now if the already time set and treatment is going, now you cannot change the mode. It is hold block, but if you press this button, intensity button, now it has stopped and you can now change the mode, pulse mode. Now you can again press it. Now you can increase in pulse mode up to 3.5 watt. It is working in pulse mode. But if I want to change mode here, we cannot change because it's already working. You can check it's not working. But if I press this button, when the intensity will 0, then you can change the mode. 0 0, now you can change. You can use as per your desire. Now if I press again this button, it's the pause button. It has extra feature in this unit. It has pause button. Now you can it work like that. Now you can stop and can check the mode, change the mode. Press, remaining time will be there and preset intensity will come. Now you can stop, you can change the mode. Again press it. Again it will reach 3.0. Now you can increase or decrease. If I want to use in 1.1, it's also working in pulse mode. But if I cannot change any setting. When I press it, you can change the setting. Now it will work on 1. That's all. Thank you.